In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. Creating an organized and appealing menu can significantly enhance your website's user experience. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's add a horizontal menu to your page. Start by opening the Wix Studio Editor. Once you're in, look over to the toolbar and click on Add Elements. This is your gateway to all sorts of customizable, creative features. From here, select Menu and opt for the horizontal menu. This style is neat, popular, and keeps your navigation streamlined. Now it's just a matter of positioning. Drag the menu to your desired location on the page. Take a moment to ensure it looks balanced and easy to access for your users. With our menu in place, it's time to breathe life into it by creating a drop-down section. Click on the menu you just added to open up the menu settings. Once you do, the Inspector panel will appear on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find the option to Manage Menu. Click that, and you'll see a list of your current menu items. At the bottom of this panel is the option Plus Add Item. Go ahead and click it. From the options, select Drop-Down. Now think about what you want to name your drop-down. Something like Services is a great choice if you're looking to showcase different offerings of your business. Type in your chosen name and hit Enter to save it. Your first drop-down menu is now active. Now that you have your drop-down set up, it's time to customize it by adding specific items. You'll want to make sure that your visitors can easily navigate to other parts of your website directly from this menu. Back in the Manage Menu panel, you should see your new drop-down listed. This is where you can start dragging and dropping pages that you want to feature in this drop-down. Simply click on a page from your list and move it right underneath your newly created drop-down label. Keep dragging all the pages you want to nest here. If you wish to create levels within your drop-down, like sub-items for cleaner organization, it's simple to do. Just drag a page and drop it into place below the main drop-down item it should belong to. When you hover over these sub-items, a More Actions icon will appear. Click on it and choose Move Under Parent Item Name to ensure each sub-item is correctly nested under its parent category. And there you have it. A functional and visually appealing drop-down menu to enhance navigation on your Wix Studio site. Remember, this process not only structures your site more logically, but also improves user interaction, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or run into challenges. Thanks for watching, and happy building!